Is your smart TV cluttered with apps you no longer use, whether you're freeing up space or just cleaning up your home screen? Uninstalling apps is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to remove unwanted apps from your Toshiba Smart TV. First, turn on your smart TV and grab your remote. Now, navigate to the Apps or Applications section of your TV. Depending on the year of your TV, this might be found under Settings or directly on the home screen. Step 2. Select the app you want to uninstall. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll through the list and find the app you want to remove. Highlight it using your remote. Step 3. Uninstall the app. Now select the app and look for the Uninstall or Remove option. On most smart TVs, you can do this by pressing and holding the OK or Enter button on your remote. A menu should pop up with the option to delete or uninstall the app. Confirm your choice and the app will be removed from your TV. Step 4. Restart your TV for best performance. While not always necessary, I recommend restarting your smart TV after uninstalling apps. This helps clear any remaining data and keeps your system running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled apps from your smart TV. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.